Hello everyone, my name is Arun Kumar, currently pursuing my master's program in CAE with Femlogic Technologies. Today we attended a workshop on the topic request is required for CAE modular. Arun sir and Prabhu sir conducted the workshop. It was really helpful for a beginner like me to learn new things about the industry prerequisites. They showed a lot of contents about the durability analysis used in industries, and they showed how the industries work with the durability analysis and things, and they also taught about the parts used, parts of a vehicle, like that. It was a really helpful one to improve ourselves.